suggested several things to the Honorable TCP Minister. आज ज्या पद्धतीन सगळे जाग्यार लँड कन्वर्ट करून एक प्रयत्न झाला, but how to protect the heritage of old gold? How to protect? This was discussed. He has said that he would form a committee, and it is an important issue because you see more than 50 to 70 illegal structures, illegal construction that are coming up in this particular site along within the 100 to 300 meters. Anik म्हाका दिसता it is a UNESCO heritage site. It has to be protected, and all the members need to be taken into confidence. When I say ASI, TCP, the church, all these need to be taken into confidence. Anik, he has given us a word, so let us hope for the best. On revenue department, I pointed out to a clear-cut scam that involved more than 200 to 300 structures were inserted in survey plans, were inserted, it is basically a fraud. In the fraud म्हणल्यार एक structure add करपाक 1 ते 1.5 कोटी रुपया तेमी घेतलेले आसा. गुणक्ष म्हणटाचो जो प्लॅन आहा, स्ट्रक्चर आज शेतकारांक जावं फार्मर हांकां चेंज करपाक हे सरकारा कडेन एक दम ना. पण असले मनीस आज जेन्ना स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करता, and you look at the structure, 4 to 5 structures into CRZ, they've taken permission for hotels based on these illegalities. Who was doing it? At whose instance? Chief Minister has said that he had not given instruction. Minister is saying he has not given instruction. So, konan instruction given? It is a very, very sorry state of affairs. The way the collectorates are functioning, the way disaster management squad today is a disaster. You look at the way labor and employment crisis with regards to the employment crisis that is happening in the state of Goa. Minister is not giving us specific answers. They have no reforms. We as legislators need to get in reforms to propose. पूण गोंयचे लोक आज चोयता सगळ्यांक त्या पद्दतीन ह्या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता दी ऑपोजिशन इज कॉर्नर्ड. And in the days to come, definitely the issues that are in the interest of the state with regards to science and technology, सगळे इश्यू आमी with the way garbage men no हे आहा तेगेले कांय विजनू ना. All these things will be exposed in the few days to come.
ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेज सायटी वयलो तो बंगलो आतां अजून डेमोली संपलो ना.
तें सांगिल्लें हांवें TCPन बर परमिशन दिलें, TCP रिवोक करता. मग सरकाराक हांवें मुखेलमंत्री सांगिल्लें की तुका योगी आदित्यनाथ तो कितें करता, तो बंगलो मोडू जाय जाल्यार डायरेक्ट वयता बुलडोजर घेवन मोडटा. तेजें एग्जाम्पल तें कर, तेगे फ्रेंड तो तें चोवपा जाय.
कोण कार्लोस